you have the true traditional self-builder, which I don't think there are too many of nowadays, but who will do everything themselves, literally build the house out the ground. And then we have sort of the clients who sort of project manage themselves and still will get involved, but generally just overlook the trades and things. And then the next step is what you offer, which is the full turnkey. And that's essentially when you handhold our clients straight through the process.
Yeah, I mean, as a project management company, essentially we take over as soon as the client has planning permission. So by the time, generally speaking, the client has planning permission, they're already engaged with yourselves as Oakwrights, so the design process is all very much underway. We then sort of take up the reins in terms of discharging any of the planning conditions, because invariably when you get planning permission these days, there's a multitude of conditions they put in place to make sure that they're sort of compliant. So we sort of run through that whole process with the client. And then we take the process all the way through until essentially the clients move into the house. That's where we are.